risk management is so simple when you really boil it down. Um, you can break it down very simply in terms of what the process is supposed to do. But when you actually try and do it and try and do it well and consistently with an effective process that produces a safe and effective product with really good documentation and evidence that everybody involved can read, not just the author, not just the project team, but the notified body reviewers, results in information for the users and for patients and procurers and whoever else to understand. And you've got transparent residual risk there for people and effective safety messaging in the instructions, safe design within the product itself and the manufacturing processes and all these things. Great evidence to show that it's safe through design verification, design validation, etc., usability. Um, Trying to do all of that is quite tricky.